Hi, this is Little Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Ford Focus, stock number 6842. This ran from the 5th 2011 to the 8th 2015. It has an LW 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LW 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory mag tyre. Left front door mirror, some clear peeling. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory mag tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory mag tyre. Right rear door, one dent. Right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory mag tyre. Right front door cone. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.